Hi, Ted Brooks with Alfra and Maglogix, back to talk to you about the world's most powerful, efficient, and effective magnets ever invented. We're going to show you a little bit more about the TMC family, Total Material Cubes, because that's what it's based off of. This little cube, weighing in at about 2 pounds, has about 750 pounds of breakaway force, which gives you an incredibly powerful clamp where you can't use a clamp. It gives you an incredibly powerful holding device where you need something that's just going to stay put. And of course, it's the basis for any kind of a jig, fixture, or device you want to build yourself. Pre-tapped holes on the top, pre-tapped holes on 2 sides, gives you the ability to make any custom jig or fixture you might possibly need. We've started off with a few here that we now sell. Things like our little hand lifter. At 70 pounds, that's what OSHA says you're allowed to carry. Again, it's a 750 pound breakaway magnet. Why would you need a 750 pound breakaway magnet if you're only allowed to carry 70 pounds? First, OSHA loves to see a 10-to-1 safety factor. You'll probably will, so will your boots and your shoes as things drop on you. Second, all of us manufacturers of magnets rate our magnets under pretty ideal conditions. How often do you work under ideal conditions? How often do you have rust and paint on your steel? Maybe your steel is not perfectly smooth like the stuff we test on. These are the kinds of reasons why a 750 pound magnet as a hand lifter means everything you pick up that you're allowed to pick up is going to stay picked up. Our newest lifting device, now we have to rate this a little bit differently. Is this a 220 pound safe working load below the hook lifter? If you've got a cherry picker, you've got a gantry crane in your shop, you need something that can pick up those smaller parts, bigger square tube stock, I-beam sections you need to work on, this is your man. 222 pounds is its ultimate lifting capacity. That's at 3-to-1 safe working load. Huge advantage, swiveling hooks that swivel and pivot, so even if you're taking small pieces into shear, they're going to be able to be held securely. Gets into the smallest places, and probably the biggest advantage, it only weighs about 4 pounds. Why would you carry that weighs 4 pounds? You're going to put it at the end of a hook and leave it there, aren't you? Not with something that only weighs 4 pounds, you're not. This is the kind of magnet you take off the hook. You use for all your day-to-day construction and fabrication needs. Wherever there's metal involved, if you've got a 750 pound magnet that only weighs 4 pounds, why would you leave it at the end of a hook? And the newest tool to our family, an adjustable angle. A scale on the side allows you to quickly and easily set your angles. Once the angle's set where you need it to be, simply tighten it up, bring your piece of steel in place, and tighten up these pivots as well. Unbelievable holding force at both ends. All you have to do to turn it on now is turn that lever on, bring your piece of steel in, and flip this lever on, and you've got incredible holding force at any angle you could possibly need. The new family of TMC products, industry-leading performance even on the thinnest metals, and of course, same performance on the thick stuff.